Eggs 3 room temperature. Sugar 75 gram. Vanilla essence a half teaspoon. Beat until foamy. Oil a quarter cup. Whisk well to combine. Salt a quarter teaspoon. All-purpose flour 75 gram. Baking powder a half teaspoon. Sift well. Mix it carefully, do not overmix. Pour batter evenly into the lined and greased pan. Bang the pan on the counter once or twice to bring up any air bubbles and preheat oven at 180 degrees C for 10 minutes. Remove cake from the oven. Cool the cake in the pan for 15 minutes. Carefully invert the sponge onto the tea towel. Gently peel off the parchment paper. Roll and set aside. Whipping powder 1 sachet. Milk 115 milliliters. Whisk together until stiff peaks form. Once the sponge roll is cooled, gently unroll it and spread the strawberry jam all over. Spread evenly a thin layer of whipped cream. Few chunks of strawberries on top of it. Roll the sponge up again and refrigerate for 1 hour. Pipe some whipped cream on top and fresh strawberries. Enjoy!